NASA's Apollo missions carried humanity farther than ever before, to the moon and back. Now, over 50 years later, the Artemis campaign will mark our triumphant return. In preparation, NASA has partnered with commercial providers to develop landers that will safely ferry astronauts to and from the lunar surface. The agency has obligated roughly $7 billion to this Human Landing System, or HLS, program, with billions more on the line over the next several years. Our new audit examined whether HLS providers are meeting development goals, the effectiveness of the program's Insight Oversight model, and how NASA is mitigating risks to astronaut safety. Several years ago, NASA awarded a contract to SpaceX to develop its Starship lander and a contract to Blue Origin for its Blue Moon lander. We found that the agency's firm fixed-price contracting approach has effectively controlled costs on these billion-dollar contracts. However, both SpaceX and Blue Origin have faced schedule delays and technical challenges. NASA is currently working with SpaceX and Blue Origin to accelerate lander development to meet a 2028 lunar landing date. We also examined NASA's Insight Oversight model and its collaborative approach that gives providers access to government resources. Although this strategy is beneficial, the agency must closely monitor the associated costs. Most importantly, while NASA is taking steps to mitigate and prevent hazards, we found gaps in its testing approach and crew survival analyses. Moreover, if the landers experience a catastrophic event, the agency knows it does not currently have the capability to rescue stranded astronauts from space or the lunar surface. We made 5 recommendations to address these pressing issues, ensuring humanity's next giant leap to the moon and eventually onto Mars is done safely and efficiently.